Hello friends, today I am going to talk about how to make resume on Hirecade website for free. So for context, Hirecade provides free resume builder. So just go to the footer and you might see a link resume builder. Click on this one and then you are here on the resume page. So just say start building for free. So here everything is filled out. So for example, you can change the template. There Hirecade provide a lot of like all the most common used template that will help you pass the ATS screening. So you can see there are around 15 templates. So I'll just choose the most basic one. It is pretty standard in all the industry. And then you just like fill your name. Uh, and after making any change you just like click save, that is on the upper right corner of the this builder. So once you save, all the change are reflected here and the resume is rendered again. So you can change your contact number, you can change your email, LinkedIn, you can put your here websites, you can put your GitHub, you can put your email. Similarly, for the professional experience, you can write a summary here. On the experience side, uh, you put your company name, for example, YouTube. That's what I do. Creator. I live in London, and from here you can just write all the experience. For second experience, you can write uh, experience start date, end date, and if you want to add a new experience, for example, I want to add okay what I did before August 18. So August 18, I was a software engineer. Oh no, it's a company. So I put here. That time Meta was called Facebook. So Facebook is here. Okay, in London. Uh, so in the experience, I will just like put okay. I just like eat snacks, tested snacks there, and Meta had BFF and hosted BFF programs. Alex Wallet, I would say. That's what I did there, and you just like click save. So you can see here all the after reloading experience and what you did there is already here. In education, you can put here like some university like Harvard. Um, then now just like save. So once similarly you can edit your projects here, you can edit your skills. So it's pretty intuitive to build your new resume. And one good thing is about that you can also publish your resume on Hirecade website and just like share the link. For example, here is like say I want to select demo user Harvard. So you can see that now I'm going to publish my resume on this link. So my resume is up here. You can test like opening a new incognito window and see the resume is coming up. Yeah, so when you want to share is your resume with other people, like say some recruiter, you just like share your link here. You don't have to like always, or even you just store here in the cloud. It's visible only to you until you share your username. So you can also password protect this resume. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Try. You can, so after editing everything, you can also download your resume. So here's the downloaded resume. You can see. Yeah, that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Thanks.